Musamseleku was always saying his slogan to his wives, Uvatate emadodeni. So people will think that he was saying about Mangwawe only because Mangwawe was the one who responded to Musamseleku's slogan. People we did not know that Makumalo was involved, but Makumalo didn't respond anything because she doesn't want people to know that she had a child not with the Musamseleku. So we can't be shocked to so Macele was exposing Makumalo that Makumalo had a child before she got married to Musamseleku. Musamseleku and Macele, they plan to expose Makumalo on cameras. That people we have to know that Musamseleku was not the first man. Maybe about Makumalo's issue because people on social media were commenting that why Makumalo she can't have a child, what, why Musamseleku doesn't want Makumalo anymore. So Macele wants people to know that Makumalo had a child not with the Musamseleku. So Musamseleku and Macele, they know how to play their game. But people will think that Mangwawe was the only wife who have got a child not with the Musamseleku. But and Makumalo so Musamseleku knows what he was saying, his slogan. But he saw that Makumalo, she doesn't want to respond. Mangwawe was the one who responded because Mangwawe, since Utando Nestembo season 1, she came through that she had a child outside, not with the Musamseleku. But Makumalo didn't tell us the whole story. Makumalo was supposed to tell people the whole story when they start Utando Nestembo season 1, that she had a child outside before she married to Musamseleku. And people, we can understand her statement. We saw Makumalo, she was going upside down at doctors and look what the problem, why she can't get a child. Makumalo was explaining everything to people, the process to have a child, to have IVF. But she didn't come through why she didn't tell people about her first child. Makumalo was supposed to say, I had a child at the first before I married to Musamseleku. So I don't understand why I have got a problem not having kids now. People, we can understand your situation. But now it looks like maybe we are looking at back. Macele started exposing Makumalo. Maybe Macele saw that Makumalo want to be innocent women, what. People, we are defending Makumalo. Yes, even until now, even she exposed Makumalo, but we are keeping defending Makumalo, that Makumalo have a child. But Makumalo, why she keep quiet and at other side? I don't understand. Because you can't say you want to be innocent, you don't want to tell the public the truth, but people you are staying with, one day they will come and start exposing her. Because people in Muzumbe, they know that Makumalo had a child, but we didn't see anyone in comment section was commenting or to tell people that Makumalo had a child. But Macele was the one who exposed Makumalo, that Makumalo had a child. So Musamseleku, his slogan that Ubatate Omadoden. At that time, Makumalo, she met Musamseleku. Makumalo, maybe they are in relationship by the father of her child, even Mangwawe. But Mangwawe, I like the way she responded on season 5, that I leave that man because I was expecting that Musamseleku was going to be a better husband, that Ubatate Emadoden. We don't know that Makumalo was being involved about that slogan. So Makumalo have to tell people, even now on season 10, Makumalo have to come on season 10 and explain the whole story, because we had Musamseleku's side and Macele's side. But Makumalo's sister was the one who responded to Musamseleku. Yes, we know that Makumalo had a child, because maybe the directors, they told Makumalo about Macele, what she said. Why Makhumalo, she can't come on public, can't tell people her side of the story, because we want to hear. We support Makhumalo too much, but about that issue, Makhumalo doesn't want to come through, or she was ashamed about her mistakes. Everyone can make a mistake, but when she explained to explain to us, we have got the whole story.